Hello everyone, for today's vlog I'm going to make a channel review on how they earn on their YouTube channel. But before that, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, click the notification bell for my latest upload. The aim of this video is to serve an inspiration to all small YouTuber and to all viewers. Disclaimer, all digits you see are purely estimated, and for the reference, I use Social Blade, a public website which anyone can check nor access the site. I am now here in Social Blade in the channel name of Maja Salvador, and we're going to make a channel review on how much she earned on her YouTube channel. So as you can see, she has 58 upload videos with 1.1 something million subscribers with 34,386,983 total video views. Country is Philippines, channel type is people, user created January 30, 2019, and total grade in a Social Blade is letter B. Social Blade rank is 459,554, subscriber ranks of 20,419, video views rank of 162,755, country rank is 169, people's rank is 2,219, and as you can see, her subscriber for the last 30 days is 110,000. So mataas siya ng 1,000%. And then estimated monthly earnings of $947 to $15,100. So that is a minimum and maximum. And video views for the last 30 days is 3.7 million something. So mataas siya ng 1,487.3. So ang taas ng kanyang percentage compared to the last month na nakakuha siya ng 200,000 something lang. And then estimated yearly earnings of $11,400 to $181,800. So i-compute natin yung, we're going to compute how much is that in peso. So the minimum and the maximum. So I have here a calculator, and then we're going to compute the minimum estimated earnings monthly. So meron siyang $947 times 48, and she got 45,456 pesos. So malaking bagay. So ano yan, minimum for the estimated monthly earnings, and then yung maximum niya is $15,100 times 48. So she got 724,800 pesos. That is the maximum for estimated monthly earnings. And then dun sa kanyang estimated yearly earnings na $11,400 times 48, she got 547,200 pesos, which is the minimum estimated earnings for yearly. And then the maximum is $181,800 times 48. She got 8,726,400 pesos. So it's a huge amount of money, guys. And for those who don't know, Maja Salvador is a celebrity here in Philippines. She is a good singer, an actress. She is so amazing, guys. And big shout out to Maja Salvador, and I hope she watch this video if ever. Ayan. And don't forget to subscribe, Maja Salvador. So that is the estimated monthly and yearly earnings of Maja Salvador. And sa next page, we're going to check out the daily, the weekly, and the last 30 days average of earnings. So in this page, so as you can see, the estimated earnings, video views, subscribers who subscribe to her YouTube channel, and meron siyang video views na walang kita or walang estimated earnings. So negative 00. So ang estimated earnings niya is matataas, guys. So from $25 to $404 $33 to $536. So on and so forth, guys. So meron siyang dalawang video na walang kita or walang estimated earnings. So hindi pa natin alam kung ano yung dahilan kung bakit walang kita, or maybe yun yung mga videos na merong maybe copyright or hindi man monetized. That is the reason why kung bakit walang estimated earnings. So that is my only opinion. I'm not sure. And doon sa mga nagtatanong, no one knows kung magkano talaga yung kinikita ni Maja Salvador sa kanyang YouTube channel. So she only know how much she earn on her YouTube channel. So in this page, we're going to check out the daily average, weekly average, and of course last 30 days. So sa daily average niya, meron siyang 3,600 something subscribers who subscribe to her YouTube channel, with 126,248 video views, with an estimated earnings of $32 to $505. So that is only for one day. And then for the weekly average, she got 25,600 subscribers who subscribe to her YouTube channel, with 883,736 total video views, with an estimated earnings of $221 to $3,500. So that is only for weekly average. And then for the last 30 days, she got 110,000 subscribers, na mataas yung kanyang percentage compared to the last month. So 110,000 subscribers who subscribe to her YouTube channel, and of course 3,787,428 total video views, with $947 to $15,100. So na-compute na natin yan, ina-find out natin kung magkano yan sa peso yung minimum and maximum na estimated earnings ni Maja Salvador. So the next page, titingnan natin yung kanyang monthly video views. So dito sa graph na ito, makikita niyo yung dot, and compare dun sa last month. So ito yung recent na video views niya na 2,527,000 something, and then nung January is 238,885 lang. Kaya yung video views niya nung nakaraang buwan is kinompare dito sa recent video views, which is napakataas. Ayan, 3 million something. Ayan, meron din siyang mga video views, meron din siyang mga month na matataas ang video views. So same lang din ng subscribers. So yung nakaraang buwan may subscriber siya na 80,000 subscriber who subscribe to her YouTube channel, and yung recent niya is 110,000 subscribers. So di ba ang laki ng kanyang followers, and hindi naman nakakapagtaka because she is a celebrity here in Philippines, and she really work hard to gain more followers. Ayan, I hope you inspired to this video, and I hope we can be like her someday. So thank you for watching, and keep safe everyone.